found an elevator. I don't know what this building is, though. There is a tunnel that's not underground that connects all the buildings in this part of the campus. So I was walking and I just found this elevator randomly for it. Okay, I don't know what building this is. Oh, science education. Okay, so this is the elevator number 3 at the science education building. Get on. I saw someone in one of the buildings. They probably have finals this week, maybe. I'm not sure. Most likely they do, or they did. I want to make sure I can go back down.